Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Chevy Traverse hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside the cabin on the driver's side. This lever is usually found below the steering wheel, often near the emergency brake pedal. You will see a small icon of a car with its hood open. Pull this lever firmly towards you. You should hear a distinct pop sound from the front of your vehicle, indicating the primary latch has released. Now walk to the front of your Traverse. The hood will be slightly ajar but not fully open. Carefully reach your hand underneath the front edge of the hood, directly above the Chevrolet emblem. You will feel a small, recessed safety latch. This secondary latch is usually a small tab that you need to push or slide to the right while simultaneously lifting the hood slightly. With the secondary latch disengaged, you can now fully lift the hood. On most Traverse models, gas-charged lift supports will automatically hold the hood in the open position. If your vehicle has a manual prop rod, locate it and insert its end into the designated slot to secure the hood. Always ensure the hood is stable before performing any work under it. When you are finished, gently lower the hood until it rests on the primary latch, about 6 to 8 inches above the closed position. Do not drop it from a high distance. Then, use both hands to firmly press down on the front of the hood, ensuring both the primary and secondary latches engage with a distinct click. Always double-check that the hood is completely closed and secure before driving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.